Hello and welcome to Free Range Cottage. I am standing in our primary bedroom today because I'm bringing you in here and going to show you some of the updates I've been making and trying to make it feel very luxury in here, but of course on a budget. But I'm really going for the 5-star sort of boutique hotel feel that feels very restful to us in the evening and helps us to get a good night's sleep and just something that we can enjoy in our home. So I'm going to go over the things that I've added in. And the first thing, of course, we have to talk about is the mattress, the bed, and the bed frame. We upgraded those. After much trial and error, we got a mattress that we really like, and I will link to everything that I can, and you will find more information about things on the blog as I update that. And also we got a new bed frame. The one we had before was from IKEA, and it was just kind of a placeholder for us. We knew that we would change it out eventually, and we ended up getting this bed frame that's sort of a classic Chesterfield style, and it was very affordable, and it gives just that high-end feel. I think sticking with a classic shape like the Tufted Chesterfield is what did that. And then of course the sheets. Okay, so I'm in the middle of cleaning and decluttering, and FedEx pulls up into my driveway and drops off a box that I wasn't expecting quite yet. But I've got to get into it right now. I've got to stop everything I'm doing and get into it right now. And I didn't want to do it without you, so I had to grab my tripod, and we're going to open this together. And it is bedding from Brooklinen. I can't wait. Like I said, I was not expecting to get this so quickly, but I'm super excited about it. And it's gonna make all the difference in our bedroom, and hopefully for our sleep and for just the feel of everything in our bedroom. So you can see the linen collection. They look beautifully packaged. The linen collection. This looks like sheets, pillowcases, all season down comforter. Beautiful. Nicely packaged. And also the linen collection here. And I'm thinking that this might be the duvet cover. And I went ahead and got them all in a cream color, but you can get them mix and match. They have so many different colors to choose from. And they had a gorgeous chambray stripe that was in a dark gray color that was gorgeous, and it was very tempting. And I think if I get another set of sheets, that's what I'll get. So I'm just going to open the pillowcases here because I'm going to show you all of this in my bedroom and on my bed. But right now I just wanted to get into it and see what the cream color. They also have a bright white. It's so many different colors, you guys. It would go with anything you're wanting to do. So they're in a nice little envelope. It's like unwrapping Christmas for me. Oh, the outside is, I thought all of this looked awfully white, but look at the cream color when you pull it out. Ooh, it's a natural, gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna like this color. Now, you know linen is made from flaxseed. It's a natural fabric. Ah, gorgeous. These are stone washed, so they're already come to you soft. These feel really good. Don't we spend a lot of time in our beds sleeping and relaxing. And so we finally decided to dive into some luxury sheets, but not the price. So today's sponsor is Brooklinen, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Brooklinen sheets because they're having their Black Friday sale until the end of the month. So if you have thought about upgrading your sheets, or maybe you have a guest bedroom that needs some new sheets and even comforters, duvets, or maybe for a gift, what a luxury, amazing gift. But you can get it at a great discount right now. We got the linen hardcore bundle, which I absolutely love linen year round. And I didn't quite know what to expect. These came to us pre-washed. They're soft. Oh my goodness, they're so soft. And we got the hardcore bundle, and you can save 25% off on the hardcore bundle rather than buying each component individually. So it's a nice savings, and then that great Black Friday sale on top of it. So, but you also can pick and choose your colors. There's over 20 colors to choose from. Now me, I wanted just a neutral palette. I got the cream color bed sheets, pillowcases, all in the linen. In the hardcore bundle, you get 4 pillowcases, and you get to pick the sizes. So you could have 2 king, 2 queen, or standard. They don't have to all be the same size, and they don't have to all be the same color, which is really nice because you can really design this and personalize your room, and that always feels luxury, right? And then the sheets are in the cream color linen as well. And then I got the year-round down duvet or comforter, and then we got the duvet cover in the linen in the cream color. So I just wanted all the neutrals. It feels very hotel or spa-like to me. And then plus I could add embellishments throughout the seasons, and it'll just be timeless. And we had talked about self-care before. So actually your design in your bedroom and in the rest of your rooms can help implement that, and having a good night's sleep on luxury sheets that actually aren't priced luxury. They're quite a bit cheaper, but they have lots of 5-star reviews, I think 100,000 and counting. And so to do that is part of your self-care. I know we talked about that kind of in our last video about through the busy holidays. They're easy to shop for online. It's a fun website to go on. I'm here on brooklinen.com, and you can see the different choices of the linens, bedding. They also have other things to shop for, maybe for some of your Christmas shopping. And it's real easy to move around on, and a lot of styled bedrooms in here too that are nice for ideas on how to use the sheets and duvets and put them together. They have a brushed flannel that looks very soft, although I sleep a little warm, so I went for the washed linen. And there's that stripe that I think is really gorgeous. And we got that hardcore bundle that you can see right here. And it's on a really great sale, their Black Friday sale right now, like I said before. So if you're looking to up your comfort in your beds at home, you might want to check out this Brooklinen website. I've been really impressed. And you know I wouldn't say that unless I meant it. And I just want to give you a little tip on a duvet and a duvet cover. I know if you have not, you may know this already, but you might not. And one of the things that I look for, duvets or comforters, is I love that little tie at the end, and then the cover, it has a little ribbon there that you can tie the ends of your comforter or duvet in there, and they stay put. So then all you have to do is sort of fluff it in the morning and it's not all bunched up inside its cover. That is always a problem. So that is a little luxury for me for sure. And then we were super shocked about the size of the corners of the sheets. Rob and I always have to make the bed together because by the time we get to the last corner, it is a workout to get those sheets down over our tall mattress. We have a tall mattress with a cotton pad on top for additional softness. And these linen naturally has a little bit of stretch to it. And these just pulled right down, beautiful. We slept on them. Rob's a big guy, no popping of the corners. Really happy with that. So that is definitely a luxury that we've added to our primary bedroom. The next thing we added is I have been on the hunt, and I know if you've seen my past videos, you know I've been on the hunt for nightstands, but I really didn't want anything too small because our bedroom is sort of lacking in storage. We've been trying to build that in a little bit more, and I really wanted small little chests of drawers, and I didn't want just like a teeny little nightstand, so that if we did want to keep clothing in there or an extra blanket or anything, that we would have that storage. So I looked all around and I found these. I absolutely love them. I think they're classic. They've got the rattan on them, the caning, but they also have a little bit of mid-century touches on them. So just enough of the modern to not feel too stodgy or anything. And they go just beautifully with everything, all the neutrals we've got going on in here. And then also to my lamps, I had gone back and forth. I was looking and looking and looking, and I had a certain budget and price range. And of course, I found these particular lamps on Pottery Barn, which I love their lamps. Make no mistake, I love their lamps, but I can't always manage the price. I found these exact lamps for, I think it's a third of the price. It was definitely a fraction of the price. So of course I will put a link there in the comments, not the comments, I'm sorry, in the description and over on my blog. And I absolutely love them. They're oversized, they're gorgeous, they have that texture. I think they add a lot to a neutral color scheme. Then we added in some just small touches. I've got a cute little water carafe there, which I love to have by the bed for a drink of water, but I also usually run a diffuser at night with some really nice scent like a lavender or geranium or something. And it's nice to have that carafe filled up so I don't have to constantly be going to the sink or to our Berkey. That's where I get the water for that. And I fill that thing for several nights with a water carafe. So I really like it for that as well. And then I found this little tissue box cover. It's all about, luxury to me is all about taking care of, anticipating any of your needs. So we've got that little tissue box, but you didn't want it with just the regular cardboard. And I just found this really cute, what do you want to call it, leatherette cover. And that just blends it right in with everything. But yet it's there for us. I love practical luxury. And then I just put a little planter that I have with a space for some fresh flowers or fresh, in this case, I brought in some fresh herbs that are still green outside, even though you might be able to see some snow behind us here. We're just starting to get our really cold weather and our snow, but I had a couple of herbs that I could gather and bring in, and they smell so good. That will change out probably for some Christmas greens or some orchids after the first of the year. Just having that little bit of fresh sort of life next to me in my bedroom helps me to get through the winter and think about spring, because I am not a winter person. And then also the artwork over the bed, having some pretty artwork. I love botanical prints and I love framed the real botanicals. There are several designers and including Restoration Hardware as well that have actual frame botanicals, but very, very pricey. So I may try to dupe those in the spring, in summer. But for now, I found these prints that look like the real plants, and I've been pretty happy with them. They give that cottage feel, but also just feel upscale, but have that warm, cozy feel that we want. I want the luxury, but I don't want it to feel cold. So the last time I checked, those were from Amazon, and the last time I checked, they were out of stock, but I will keep an eye on that and try to look around for a different link. So that is mostly everything we have done in here. I still need to find a rug, and then I'm also on the hunt for some curtains. I haven't decided what exactly I want to do here, but of course that rug and some lovely curtains will up the luxury factor so much. And we're still working on the other side of the room as well, where we're building in a walk-in closet. So it's a work in progress, but I'm really enjoying how far we've come. And I hope that you got some inspiration and ideas. And I hope you visit my blog, FreeRangeCottage.com. And I hope you visit Brooklinen and take advantage of that Black Friday sale until the end of the month. Stock up on some gorgeous linens and enjoy those all year round. This is their lowest price of the season. So let me know if you're working on your bedroom or if you have it just the way you want it. And let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time right here on Free Range Cottage.